Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simpleroptions.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to look at the concept of a couple of names that I think you actually still have the chance of adding into. Now, the title that I use with this, where, let's look to double up, doesn't necessarily mean doubling up on positions, but it does reference a indicator that I've been adding to my charts that I think is extremely helpful, because in the past, I would look to these signals and I would say, okay, I've got my daily squeeze that is fired, I have made extensions of some previous swing highs to swing lows, good swing move, right? But coming over and looking at the addition of this indicator, it's just telling me that I also have a 2-day squeeze in play. So essentially what it's saying is that you're taking the 390-minute cash session, you're multiplying that by 2, and then that creates a single bar of data. That single bar of data is showing us the same compression in price that the daily has done here. Why is that helpful? Because you can see that that compression led to a pop higher. So I actually think that 3M has a move up into 250, and of course how you want to position size and work that into earnings will be kind of subjective, but I do like it to the long side. And you have several other names that fit this bill as well. So if you look to Monster, you can see exactly the same thing, where this one's a little bit more active, kind of in the here and now. And honestly, I'll tell you too, that I'll probably end up being, maybe a little bit too stubborn with Monster. I would love to see that it could hold this 8 and 21 and push higher from there, but I will also buy it at the 50-day, because we have the daily squeeze that suggests a move is coming. You can see what that last daily squeeze did for us. And then you're, combining that with the power of a bigger time frame, it shows you that I think, you've got double the potential there. So I like Monster long, in addition to that previous analysis, and one other place, everybody's favorite, with Apple. So, and I point these out to you because anytime that I can make an adjustment to my trading and think, okay, I've done it this way for the longest time, what adjustments can I make to make that better? Or is there anything I've been missing that I might start including with my analysis? When I would look at this daily chart of Apple, in years past, I would tell you that I'm not really excited about the trade because I don't see the potential of an explosive upside move with no squeeze. You come back in and say, well, the 2-day squeeze is actually still coiled and ready to go, and that gives you a chance to go ahead and pick up the position. So I am in and trading all of the names that I've just shared with you. I think all 3 of them have potential for higher prices as we get into earnings, and I hope that's some analysis you can make some money with. You guys have a great long weekend, and we'll touch base again on Tuesday.